Take ice apples, cut them into fine chopping. Now take a bowl. Now add chilled milk and pista, kaju, badam, add ilachi powder, add milk maid according to your taste, add cooked sabudana, mix everything. Add ice cubes. Add ice apple. Natural jelly cooler. Cool natural jelly cooler is ready. Serve chilled.